Back with another one. Alright, let's get right into it. Here we go. Here is the live footage of the explosion. Yeah, it was definitely set up. Watch closely. Man. As you see, it's still burning. So far, neither side is admitting to it. Russia or Ukraine. You can tell the intention was to tear the whole thing down, look. But no luck. It is going down in Ukraine. This was the main road of transportation to bring in the ammunition and the artillery for Russia. Yeah, that's crazy. But till the next time, stay up, stay blessed, and I'm out.